St. Louis! To climb to 3,000 feet, then throttling back and quietly descending to complete the maneuver called the Cuban 8. While the BC-ATP Harbor trainers can roll at 80 degrees per second, the Hornet can do it 10 times as fast. Watch from the right, the quad 271. Force of Great Britain, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. Captain Keane represents the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan top side pass from the right. While Captain Keane starts his descent and sets up for another high-speed pass, we want you to know that flying the Hornet is a team effort. let me introduce you to the rest of our team. The East crew from 425 and 433 Squadron. Sergeant Daniel Paré, our crew chief from Montreal, Quebec. Master Corporal Marc-André David, Deputy Crew Chief from Val-Villers, Quebec. Corporal Fred Leclerc, technician from Jonquière, Quebec. And Corporal Stephen Maltais, technician from Saint-Emile, Quebec. And today I am also helped for a big thank you by Major Indira Takori, the Snowbird PA. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of the Wing Commanders, Colonel Dulcie Molstad and Colonel Eric Kinney, the men and women of 3 and 4 Wing and the entire CF-18 demo team, we hope you enjoyed the demonstration as much as we enjoyed performing it for you today.